The summer season is a time for fun, enjoying the weather, being out from school, and going on vacations. However, it's also a time where tragedy could occur right from the very car you drive. Most people don't realize this, but parking their car under the scorching sun is a way to sign someone's death warrant. And we're going to cover why it's so dangerous in the first place. So this way, you'll understand just how serious the matter is, along with some methods to help reduce the risks. Racing car engines can easily climb past temperatures of over 100 degrees, but the human body isn't capable of handling such extremes. Inside a closed cabin, temperatures can soar 20 to 30 degrees in mere minutes, making the 80-degree weather become over 100 inside the car. What makes this so deadly, and what people fail to understand, is that this level of heat attacks your nervous system. The symptoms come in dizziness, nausea, then confusion, possibly leading to delirium. Heat stroke sets in after your body temperature reaches 104 degrees or more. Your organs shut down, your pulse quickens, your vision blurs, until eventually you collapse from the exhaustion. It's a terrifying scenario. But there's more. The intense heat will burn or even melt plastics inside your vehicle. This causes a chemical reaction to release toxic fumes. So on top of your nervous system struggling against the heat, it's also being poisoned by the very car you're in. Heat travels by means of conduction, convection, and radiation. But your car becomes a conductor of all three methods. The radiation comes from sunlight passing through your car's windows, conduction as the car heats up from the outside in, and convection of the interior air being warmed in a closed environment without anywhere for the heat to go, making it feel like an oven. This is exactly why you should never, and I repeat, never leave a child or animal inside a car in the hot weather. Heat stroke can kill in under 15 minutes. To put it in perspective, by the time you've reached this point in the video, the person may have already passed out from heat exhaustion, their organs slowly shutting down one by one. It's not being overdramatic. In fact, this is still a continual issue all around the world. And speaking from experience, the intense heat was a major factor into why Hiroshima lost against Fujiwara. Hot weather conditions can have a huge impact on the human body. However, there are ways to minimize this risk. Parking in the shade during the hot weather should be a priority. Crack your windows to allow heat to escape. Using reflective windshield covers or window tint helps. Some run the air conditioning, but that often leads to other risks, such as draining the car's battery and gas. Or if the keys need to be left in the vehicle, makes it a target of being stolen. And this has led to various kidnappings. The best thing you can do is bring your children with you or leave them and the pets at home. It may be a little inconvenient, but it won't be as inconvenient as explaining to the police why you left them to suffer in the heat. You wouldn't race without warming up the car's engine, so please use your head and plan accordingly. Be smarter than the heat. Analyze the situation, protect yourself, and those riding with you. The sun isn't your enemy until you ignore what it can do. Again, I'm asking you to think things through before you act. The last thing you should want is the easily preventable death of a child or family pet on your hands. Thank you for sticking to the end of this video. I would greatly appreciate if you could help share this on as many social media platforms because this is a very serious topic to address. And if we can help prevent a single death, then this video was a success. If you find videos on these subject matters useful, then let me know in the comments what other dangerous situations you'd like to see covered. Remember, if you wouldn't feel comfortable sitting in such extreme conditions, why put someone else through it?